Well, hello again. If you don't know me, I'm Tricia. But also, if you don't know me, I'm kind of shocked you found this video. So I'm going to do a video about how to prep and pack your closet for moving. So behind me, you can see that we've got all the world's boxes strategically put in the corner because we live in a tiny apartment. Let's get started. So I'm using a tall hanging wardrobe box and a short hanging wardrobe box. So this is gonna be great for my dresses and hanging pants, but you can also use these for like your long jackets. And this is gonna be for all your other short hanging stuff. So you wanna start measuring from the point right here, where it doesn't bow out. So from here to here. So it looks like it's just about 21 inches. So you can say 21 and a half if you'd like. I'm just going to be conservative and say 21 inches. So now we're going to go measure our hanging clothes in the closet, which is just about 21 inches, which is great news. So that means that this whole thing could fit into that tall wardrobe box. Quick note. It's probably best to have most of your laundry done and folded and put away, if not all of your laundry, before you do this exercise. Okay, cool. Oh my God, shoes. Okay, so shoes, you're gonna wrap these individually. If you're very fancy and you have the original boxes for the shoes, go ahead and pack them in those. Otherwise, you're just gonna use some brown packing paper, wrap the shoes, and put them in a box. And it's as easy as that. Quick note about these boot stuffers. I love these. This one is from Voot, which you can get online. And this one is from Real Simple, which you can get at Bed Bath & Beyond. And they're adjustable, so if you have tall riding boots or mid-cap or lower boots, you can adjust them based on that. I love these to keep the shape of these boots, but if you don't have those, you can actually use some packing paper to maintain the shape of the boot during the move. And you can keep them in there even when you move in. Yeah, I don't really have a dresser, so just, you know, suspend your disbelief that like this is a dresser that holds the things that I need, like bra, underwear, and socks. So what would happen is all of this would come out and it would either go into a box or into a suitcase, and it would all get file folded so that when you look down into the box, let's pretend this is a box, you would see everything inside of there laid out like this. So it's really easy to find exactly what I need, even if it's just in the cardboard box. Hats like these that need a little bit more structure, you can actually just stuff them with paper, or you can use your socks or scarves or hose or whatever it is that you have accessible, and then those can travel inside of a suitcase with a little bit of room, or you can put them inside of a box with extra paper. So those are my tips for packing up your closet. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some spackling to do.